Happy Tuesday. For today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you the new features in Google Classroom that came with an update. So you might notice now that when you go to make a post in your stream, you have different options. So as you are typing your post to your class, you have the option to make something bold, italicized, or underlined. So if I want no Google Meet to be bolded and underlined, if I have a PD, I can do that. That will stand out to my students. If I have a to-do list for them, I can easily now make a bulleted list, which personally I love. And then here it says remove formatting. So if there's any formatting that I added that I don't want there anymore, I can just highlight that and then use that remove formatting option. You can still add in things from your Google Drive, links, files, and YouTube videos directly into your posts as well. And you can still schedule a post or save your post as a draft. Hopefully this was helpful. I know I am so excited to use these features to make things a little bit easier as we end this school year. So let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.